And the Communications Authority maintains its stand to regulate dominance of big players in the market. Now, former Pan-Africa Insurance CEO Tom Gitogo has been appointed the Deputy CEO CIC Insurance in an apparent succession plan at the firm. In a statement sent to newsrooms, the CIC board says Tom Gitogo will oversee the insurer's Kenyan business with plans for him to replace long-serving Group CEO Nelson Kuria. He joined CIC Insurance at the time it's looking forward to growing its regional presence with the Malawi and South Sudan markets on the radar. The company recently signed a joint venture deal with Malawi Union of Savings and Credit Cooperatives to start an insurance firm in Malawi and has already received a license to penetrate into South Sudan. And now the newly minted shares of the Nairobi Securities Exchange debuted today on the bourse, with shares hitting a high of 18 shillings per share before settling at 16 shillings and 30 cents at the close of the market. Any investor who sold their shares made at least 71% profit in a matter of hours on the initial price of 9 shillings and 50 cents. Analysts say the share is bound to continue its winning ways at least in the short term, and this excitement is seeping into the rest of the economy if announcements made during the listing are anything to go by. Adelaide Changole has the details.
The ringing of the bell marked the end of the 5-year journey to turn the Nairobi Securities Exchange from a private members club to a listed firm. The process culminated in the most successful initial public offering, and the momentum carried on today with the share closing at 16 shillings and 30 cents.
We were seeking to raise 627 million at a price of 9.50 per share, and investors applied for just over 500 million shares, worth Kenya shillings 4.8 billion.
The listing of NSE shares is the last stage in the demutualization process that began in 2009. The move separates the regulatory and the commercial sides of the NSE and gives the bourse funds needed to introduce new alternative instruments such as derivatives and the real estate investment trusts.
The Kenyan farmer will be able to lock in the value of their produce in the future. This will enable our farmers to find the financing that is necessary to plant their crops based on future selling prices.
The NSE will also use the funds to upgrade its trading platform to allow faster, easier and more secure trading as the NSE seeks to deepen the capital markets.
So that we can attain our objective of having 100 listed companies over the next 4 years and a market cap of 4 trillion shillings.
And with the resource boom currently in the offing, thanks to the proven oil and mineral reserves, the government says it will utilize a new system to give Kenyans a stake in the management and utilization of natural resources in the country.
We are asking companies to list in the security exchange at least 20% of their shares.
In the meantime, analysts say the NSE share will continue to do well, hitting a high of 25 shillings in the medium term as investors who got just 11% of their full allotment of shares drive up the price. Adelaide Changole, KTN Business.